If you're looking for an amazing side dish, today I'm going to be showing you how to make veggie pilau, and it's a very easy and flavorful rice recipe. So I'm going to start off by placing a pot over high flame, add some cooking oil, about a tablespoon of cooking oil. Next, I'm going to be toasting my cumin seeds, a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Stir into the oil. Toasting the cumin seeds is going to enhance the cumin flavor into our rice. So to my pot, I'm also going to be adding in some onion and garlic and ginger. Stir in and let the onions, garlic and ginger cook until fragrant and a little bit golden brown. When the onions are starting to get a very nice color, I'm going to be adding in 1 tomato and some carrots. Give everything a stir. While the tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to add 1 Maggi cube, as the tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of Pilau Masala, and a bay leaf. Toss the spices together with the cooking tomatoes and carrots. This is going to make the spices very fragrant. I soaked my rice for around 20 minutes. So this is how the rice is looking. So I'm going to add in my rice. Stir in the rice and toast the rice for around a minute on high flame. You can tell it's going to be very delicious because you can spot all the nice spices and the veggies. After 1 minute, I'm going to add in 2 cups of chicken stock. Stir in. You're going to stir and check the seasoning if it's perfect. If it's not perfect, you're going to add in some more seasoning. But for me, mine is perfect because I already added a seasoning cube and chicken stock which has salt. As my pot is coming to a boil, over here I have some green beans which I've washed and chopped up, and some red capsicum. The good thing about this recipe is that you can add any vegetable that you have in the house, making a very awesome veggie pilau. When it comes to rice, I love using basmati rice because the outcome is always amazing. So I washed my rice until the water was clear, and then I soaked my rice for around 20 minutes before adding in my pot. When you notice that the water has reduced, you're going to add in your green beans and capsicum. The reason I'm adding my vegetables at this point is because I want the vegetables to steam together with the rice. So reduce the flames to low and cover. Let the rice simmer until fully cooked. My rice is ready, and this is how the veggies are looking. The reason I placed the vegetables on top was because I wanted the vegetables to have a crunch. So I'm going to turn off the heat and fluff up my rice. Just look at that. Remove my bay leaf. After fluffing up my rice, I'm going to serve. The rice looks so good, and I love the colors on my veggie pilau because everything is vibrant. You can notice the greens from the green beans and reds from the capsicum and carrots, which has a very nice orange color. My vegetable pilau is fluffy and it's looking amazing. I love the flavors and the colors on my rice, which makes this rice a perfect side dish. So I hope you'll be trying out making this delicious vegetable pilau.